Hello, good morning. We're having our family brunch at Home Block for the World of Singapore, April 13, 2026. My son living travel, so it's not yet home. There's Lizzie Boy with the signature of Anthony complete ng Lizzie. 74 years old, Singaporean hit. My son shares then. Okay, we're having a kimchi bihon with kimchi seasoning. Okay, kimchi. Okay. Enjoy, folks. Itong Black Fort Overflow, Singapore, April 13, 2026. This is simple, okay, with the signature of Anthony complete. 74 years old, Singapore. Enjoy, Singapore, our family. Brunch, okay? Bihon kimchi with pepper dam and the fried dumpling, okay? Enjoy, Singapore.